As a Jamaican or a person that's born of Jamaican parents, quite proud the fact that there is a focus on Jamaica for this particular year in the 15th year of independence. Makes me quite proud, especially to see a lot of Jamaicans or Jamaican descendants doing really well and excelling in their field, especially when we come to sport. Sport is naturally going to be a major topic this year because of the Olympics. So of course, like people like Usain Bolt in athletics, you also have the football players, the veterans of the world, the John Barnes and the Robbie Earls of the world that have done great for football in this country. Tessa Sanderson in athletics, Colin Jackson, Denise Lewis, Lennox Lewis when it comes to boxing and things like that. So when I see people like that who have been my inspiration, it's helped me to, as a Jamaican person or a Jamaican-born British person, to actually really want to push myself to excel in what I do and be proud of both countries, both my country of Jamaica, my parents' country, and the country where I was born in Britain. And it would be nice to see Britain and England to actually use that and actually help propel and promote Jamaica in a positive light, especially in this year where a lot of focus is actually going to be put onto Jamaica as such.